How to get multiple ChatGPT accounts. 2026 full guide. Want to keep your personal and work ChatGPT completely separate? In 2026, there's a right way to do this, and I'm going to walk you through every working method step by step right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to create and manage multiple ChatGPT accounts in 2026. OpenAI began rolling out a built-in account switcher in March 2026, but it's a gradual rollout, so not every user has it yet. Don't worry, I'll cover what to do whether you have that feature or not. Let's get into it. Step 1. Create your second ChatGPT account. Go to chat.com and click Sign Up. Each account must be tied to a unique email address and phone number. You cannot create more than one account with the same phone number. Use a different email address for each account you want to create. Step 2. Check if you have the account switcher. Once logged in, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner and look inside the account menu. If you see an Add Account option, tap it, sign into your second account, and both stay active in the same session instantly. Step 3. Use separate browser profiles if you don't have the switcher yet. On Chrome, go to your profile icon at the top right of the browser, click Add, and create a new browser profile. Sign into a different ChatGPT account inside each profile. Switching between them is as fast as clicking between browser windows, no logging out required. Step 4. Use different browsers as a backup. Simply use Chrome for one ChatGPT account and Edge or Firefox for your second. Each browser maintains its own completely independent login session, so both accounts stay active simultaneously without any interference. Step 5. Know the plan rules. Account switching works across all plan types, including the free tier. You do not need a paid plan to have multiple accounts. Each account can also be on a different plan if that fits your needs. Here's your pro tip. If the built-in account switcher still hasn't appeared for you, make sure your ChatGPT app and browser are fully up to date, then log out completely and log back in. A fresh login session often triggers the update to appear sooner than simply waiting for it to show up on its own. And that's your accurate 2026 guide to multiple ChatGPT accounts, creating accounts with separate emails, using the built-in switcher if you have it, and using browser profiles or different browsers if you don't. Simple and clean with no sketchy workarounds. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more ChatGPT guides every week. Drop a comment below. Do you already have the account switcher or are you still waiting for the rollout? See you in the next one.